If you're ready to access your reminders, calendar, and AI assistant, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to log into Dola AI on both desktop and mobile. We'll also cover a few quick troubleshooting tips in case you run into any login issues. So let's get started. Start by opening the Dola AI website in your preferred web browser or launching the Dola AI mobile app on your phone or tablet. Wait for the home screen to load completely before continuing. Once you're on the home page, click or tap the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you'll see the available sign-in methods. Now choose the same sign-in method you used when creating your account. Depending on your device or region, you may see options like Google, Apple, or another supported provider. Select the correct option to continue. If prompted, select your account and enter your password or complete any required verification step. Once authentication is successful, Dola AI will automatically sign you in. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Dola AI dashboard or chat interface. Here you can view upcoming reminders, create new tasks, connect your calendar, or manage your daily schedule. If you're unable to log in, first make sure you're using the same account you originally registered with. Also check your internet connection, update the app if needed, or try signing in again. If necessary, use the account recovery or password reset option provided by your sign-in service. If you're using your own personal device, you can stay signed in for faster access in the future. However, if you're using a shared or public computer, always sign out when you're finished to help protect your account. And that's all there is to logging in to Dola AI. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to manage reminders, organize your calendar, and make the most of its AI-powered features. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful guides, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.